multiply and write the multiply and write the answer in the multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. Now first example is 3 square root 12 into square root 18. 3 square root 12 into square root 18. Now we have to multiply this and write this multiplication in the simplest form. Now first write down given example as it is 3 square root 12 into square root 18 is equal to 3 into, now write down 12. Now factors, write down factors of 12 as we have to take square root of this. 12 से फैक्टर कसे पड़ते 4 into 3 लिखते हैं ना जैसा आपने स्क्वायर रूट काटते हैं 18 is written as 9 into 2 therefore 4 into 3 into square root of 9 into 2 is equal to 3 into, now square root of 4 is 2 square root 3 square root 4 is 2 into square root 3 into square root of 9 is 3 into square root 2 is equal to, now take multiplication of this 3, right, we can write this as 3 into 2 into 3 into square root a into square root b is written as square root of a into b, that is 3 into 2 is equal to 3 into 2 6 into 3 18 square root of 3 into 2 6. This is the multiplication of given example which is in simplest form 18 square root 6. Now second example, number 2 3 square root 12 into 7 square root 15. 3 square root 12 into 7 square root 15. Now first write down given as it is 3 square root 12 into 7 square root 15 is equal to, now 3 into, we can write 12 as, we have to take square root of this, therefore 12 is written as 4 into 3 into 7 into 15. Now write down this as it is, or 15 is written as 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into square root of 4 is 2 square root 3 into 7 into square root 5 into square root 3. Square root 5 into square root 3 is written as square root 5 into square root 3 is equal to, now take multiplication of this 3, we can write this as 3 into 2 into 7. 3 into 2 into 7 into, now square root 3 and square root 3, or write down this as square root 3 into square root 3 into square root 5 is equal to, now multiplication of this 3 number 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 7 42 into root 3 into root 3 is root 9 and square root of 9 is 3 into square root 5 is equal to, now multiplication of this 2, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 4 12 square root 5. This is the multiplication which is in simplest form. Third example. Square root 7 minus 3 upon 5 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7 square root 7 minus 3 upon 5 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7. Now first write down given example as it is, that is square root 7 minus 3 upon 5 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7 equal to. Now in this example, square root 7, square root 7, square root 7, in all this term there is square root 7. Therefore we can take square root 7 as a common. Write down in bracket. Now here is 1 square root 7, we take square root 7 common. Here is 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 into square root 7 is equal to. Now we have to take addition of this. Now write down in bracket LCM of 1, 5 and 1. LCM is 5. Now dividing by 1, 5 into 1 is 5 minus dividing by 5 divided by 5 is 1 into 3 is 3 plus dividing by 1 is 5 into 2 is 10 into square root 7 is equal to. Now here 5 minus 3 2 plus 10 12 upon 5 root 7. This is the multiplication which is in simplest form. Now next question number 8. Question number 8. Divide and write the answer. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. Now first example, square root 98 divide by square root 2. Square root 98 divided by square root 2. Now here first write down given as it is, square root of 98 divided by square root 2 is equal to. Now A divided by B is written as A upon B, that is we can write this as square root of 98 divided by square root 2. Now we know formula, square root A upon square root B is written as square root A upon B is equal to square root of 98 divided by 2. Now we are dividing by 2. Here dividing by 2 4, 9 is equal to square root of 49. And what is square root of 49? 7. Therefore answer of this is 7, which is in simplest form. Number 2, write down second example. Square root 125 divided by square root 50. Square root 125 divided by square root 50. Now by similar method we can solve this example. Square root of 125 divided by square root 50 is equal to. Now we can write this as in the form a upon b, that is square root of 125 divided by square root 50. Square root a upon b is written as square root a upon b, that is square root of 125 divided by 50. Here dividing by 25 to 5 is equal to square root of 5 upon 2. This is the answer. This is in simplest form. Number 3. Number 3. Square root 54 divided by square root 27. Square root 54 divided by square root 27. Now square root of 54 divided by square root 27 is equal to. Write down this in the form a upon b, that is square root of 54 divided by square root 27 is equal to. Write down this in the form square root a upon b, square root of 54 upon 27 divided by 27 2 is equal to square root 2. And number 4, fourth example, square root of 310 divided by square root 5. Now first write down this as it is, that is square root of 310 divided by square root of 5 is equal to. Now write down this in the form a upon b, that is square root of 310 divided by square root 5. Now we can write this as square root of 310 divided by 5. Now we are dividing by 5, 6, 2, that is square root of 62. Square root of 62. And ninth example, write down question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator First example, 3 upon square root 5. Now we already studied what is rationalizing factor. Now if rationalizing factor of square root 2 is square root 2, because square root 2 into square root 2 is square root 4 and square root of 4 is 2, this is a rational number. If we after multiplying this number to given number, we will get rational number, then this is called multiplication, rationalizing factor of this number. That is square root 2 is the rationalizing factor of 2. Now square root 3, rationalizing factor of square root 3 is square root 3, that is square root 9, that is 3. Or 2 square root 3. Now what is rationalizing factor? Here, if we multiplying this by square root 3, we get 2 into 3, that is 6. This is a rational number. Therefore, square root 3 is a rationalizing factor of 2 square root 3. Similarly, first write down given 3 upon square root 5 is equal to. Now what is the rationalizing factor of square root 5? Rationalizing factor of square root 5 is square root 5 is equal to 3 upon square root 5 multiplying and dividing by square root 5. Square root 5 divided by square root 5 is equal to. Now here in numerator 3 square root 5 divided by square root 5 into square root 5 is 5. Or write down this as square root of 25 is equal to 3 square root 5 divided by 5. This 5 is a rational number, that is denominator is a rational number, therefore we rationalize, this is the answer, we rationalize this given. Number 2, 1 upon square root 14, 1 upon square root 14. Now first write down 1 upon square root 14 as it is equal to. Now we can write this as 1 upon square root 14 into. Now in denominator we have to change this as a rational number. Therefore multiplying by square root 14, numerator and denominator, is equal to 1 into square root 14 divided by square root 14 into square root 14 is equal to square root 14 divided by square root 14 into square root 14 is 14. This is a rational number. That is denominator is a rational number. That is we rationalize here square root 14. Number 3, 6 upon 9 square root 3, 6 upon 9 square root 3, 6 upon 9 square root 3 is equal to. Now what is the rationalizing factor of this square root 3? First write down this as it is. 6 upon 9 square root 3 into multiplying and dividing by square root 3 is equal to. Now here 6 into square root 3 divided by 9 into square root 3 into square root 3 is equal to. Now here 9 square root 30, 6 into square root 3 divided by 9 into square root 3 into square root 3 is square root 9 and square root of 9 is 3. Therefore 3 is equal to. Now we can dividing by this, dividing by 3, 1, 2. Therefore 2 square root 3 divided by 9. Or we can write this as 6 square root 3 upon 9 into 3 is 27. This is also correct. Therefore answer is 2 square root 3 upon 9. That is in denominator there is a rational number. And last, number 4, 11 upon square root 3. 11 upon square root 3. 11 upon square root 3 is equal to. Now what is rationalizing factor of square root 3? Square root 3. 11 upon square root 3 into square root 3 upon square root 3. Now here, taking multiplication is equal to 11 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. That is 11 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is root 9. That is square root of 9 is 3. This is the answer.